Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your cursor or your pointer color. Right, as you can see, if you look into my cursor right here, this is black. So in most cases, yours or defaultly yours is set to white. Right, so I'm going to show you if you want to use this black cursor right here. Right, so that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, just want to ask, right, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I'm on my desktop right here. So what I want you to do, just open your start menu, right, click on that and then just click on your settings. Right, so this should be opening up. Now what I want us to do is click on ease of access. Click here, right, open that. Right, so now this should be opening up. So what you can do is click on mouse pointer, click on that. Right, and then this should be opening up. So as you can see, mine is selected. So if you want to set your to white, you can set that. Right, and then as you can see, my mouse is now white, and then if you want to set it to black, you can set that. Right, so make sure you select that. That's how you can set your mouse to black like mine. So yeah, that's how you can set it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.